This right here, honey, this might be golden. Baby, we're flourishing over here. Hello, honey gang. Welcome back to another lock update video. If you are new, welcome. If you are not, welcome back. If you have not already subscribed, honey, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Join the honey gang and make sure you click that bell so you are notified every time I upload. So you guys, we are at 11 months. Did y'all hear me? We're at 11 months. I cannot believe it's about to be a year of my lock journey. Like, y'all, time went by so fast. It's crazy. And so much has changed. So much has happened. Stay tuned for my 1 year, 12-month lock update video that'll come out next month. So, well, actually, today's September 1st, huh? So I'm a little behind. This should have been up in August, the end of August. So I'll probably put the 12-month, my first 1 year lock update video at the end of September. Fingers crossed that happens, okay? Bear with your girl. So yes, it's been 11 months, you guys, and we're working towards our 12 months. Let me give you guys a look at what she is looking like, honey. Let me let you see these locks. I just washed it 2 days ago. I washed it 2 days ago using, not this specifically, but this brand. That leave-in conditioner is what I use every other day. But yes, you guys, that's what it is looking like. I hope y'all was able to see that good enough. Let's see, what has changed? Frizz has gone down tremendously. Okay, I may insert pictures where it looked terrible, but it looks so much better. If you go back and look through my other lock updates, you'll see that the frizz has gone down a lot. And honey, we are starting to lock at the ends in the front. We still got some curly cues, but we are finally starting to lock to the ends in the front. I'm so excited about that. The frizz is down. Some of my lock jewelry has fallen out, and my retwist is like a month old now. But honey, we're flourishing, okay? My length, she's getting long, honey. She's getting some hang time. Okay? Love that for me. Okay? They're just really, really doing good. And I get compliments all the time about how good my locks look. So I'm really, really happy and excited about that. I just posted like a week or two ago a updated how I moisturize my locks routine. So if you haven't checked that video out, go ahead and check that out. It'll go into detail on how I moisturize my locks on the daily. Something else that I have added that I'm going to give you guys an update on next month is this right here. This is something I am trying out. I've noticed, and my loctician noticed too, the last time that I got a retwist or interlocked, my front was really, really flaky and dry. And you know, we had that concern with psoriasis before. We don't think of psoriasis, but it was severely dry. And I just put some on, so it looks a lot better now. But this was all crusty, dusty, honey. And I had just washed it like 2 days ago. And I take my tea tree oil and my water, and I put it directly on my scalp with this. But I'm thinking my scalp might need a little more help than that, since it was already like irritated before. So I got this from Walmart today, actually. Today's September 1st. And y'all just seen my scalp. Now imagine, I should have took a picture. I wasn't even thinking. And I could have did that on camera too. Dang. But my scalp, it was all types of dry and flaky and whatnot. And look, it instantly took care of that. And it also says it has with cooling menthol and peppermint oil. So my scalp does feel like, I definitely feel that mentholy feeling, and my scalp instantly looked 100% better. And it says instant smooth scalp. So yeah, honey, I think my loctician may have taken pictures, so I might try to insert it so y'all can see what my scalp looked like before. And then yeah, and now you can see what it looks like now. But it looks so much better. Like, and this was like $8 at Walmart. So this right here, honey, this might be golden. And I wonder, she had also suggested too that I might need to switch to a dry scalp, like a treatment type shampoo and conditioner. Instead of using the Design Essentials, I might need to switch. And so that's something I'm gonna look at too. But for right now, everything else, the rest of my head is fine. It's just the front. And I think this is gonna work really, really good. So I'll keep you guys updated on that for the next update. But other than that, y'all, I'm still getting interlocked. Interlocking is going well. My locks are getting longer. The frizziness is going down. We're starting to lock to the ends. Baby, we're flourishing over here. We're flourishing over here. So I'm excited to see length. I'm excited to see growth. I'm excited to see what my scalp does with this new product. And it says you can use it as needed 1 to 4 times daily, or as directed by doctor. So, and so far, honey, that one little time helped me out. So yeah, I love that for me. But other than that scalp issue, that's really it. I also did a video about moisturizing and how I cut out all the other oils and gunk and stuff that I was using. I made it real simple, and my hair has been so much more moisturized with doing the water and the leave-in conditioner. This is the leave-in conditioner that I use, but I also put tea tree oil in my water when I do that, because of the scare of psoriasis and stuff like that. So I want to make sure that we're not having any issues. And like I said, in the front might have needed a little help, and so I did this. So, but other than that, y'all, we rocking and rolling. We good to go over here. You know what I'm saying? We good to go. So I don't know what other updates I can give for you guys other than length, and we're starting to fully lock at the ends and the front. The frizz is going away. If y'all have something else that y'all would like to know from me, if y'all have any questions about anything, go ahead and leave it down below. I would be happy to answer. But yeah, this is what the hair is looking like. Let me give y'all one more little view. All right, y'all. This is it. This is it right here. I'm so happy my frizziness is going down, because child, y'all know that was stressing me out. That was taking me through it, honey. That was taking me through it. I'm gonna shine. It's so hot outside here, y'all. It's ridiculous. But anywho, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching and rocking with me. I love you guys so much. Make sure you please go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.